Hi guys! Today I am going to teach you the basic method which big faceless YouTube automation channels use to get millions of views. For this you need to head over to your Chrome browser and search for ChatGPT. And enter this prompt, it is also given in description. After a while, ChatGPT will give you a step-by-step flow for your video. Now that you've got the steps, it's time to create the script. For this, you will need to head over to Gemini AI and simply copy and paste each step and ask it to turn it into a paragraph. This step may be boring, but this script is the actual backbone of your video.
Now that we have gotten our script, it is time to assemble it in order. For this, we will need to head over to Google Docs and create a new Google Doc for our script, and step-by-step copy and paste the script onto the doc. After that, we have gotten our script ready. It's time to create an AI voiceover for our video. For this, we will search for ttsmaker.ai. This is a free AI text-to-speech tool that, unlike other tools, is not limited. This tool is unlimited. You can use it as much as you want. Just copy and paste our script and choose the voice artist you like. After that, we have gotten our AI voiceover. Now what we need for our video is copyright-free visuals. For this, we will head over to this site called pexels.com. Here we can choose from hundreds, not thousands, of copyright-free images and video that are with accordance to our video script, and directly download them to our browser. Now the next step is to edit all of our content. For this purpose, we will search for CapCut.com. If you want to see the editing process, click on the video you see on the end screen.